Hi everyone, welcome to this week's Little Bits of Learning in Math. We are going to start by using this deck of cards that your child received in September. And I started by taking out the deck of cards and removing all of the face cards. So I have those on a separate stack off to the edge. We won't need them for this. Then the cards are new, so we'll need to shuffle them up. So what we're going to talk about today is ways that you can encourage your child to try some math talk and thinking in your home. You are going to have to play around a little bit to see what level of learning they're at and what feels too easy or too hard for them. So you could start out by just taking two cards and asking, how many do you see? Then your child might be able to say, oh, it's 19. If your child is saying 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, then you know that this is probably a good level to be at for them to look at. You could start teaching some strategies like, well, do you know what 10 plus 10 is? Oh, that's 20. 9 is one less. So what would be one less than 20, right? You could try out some of those things. If your child, if they said 19 right away and you tried another one and they said, what might they say quickly? 13, fast. You might think, okay, this feels too simple. So you could play two different ways. You could flip it and see who can answer first if your child likes that kind of competition. You could both flip over two cards. So I have 13. It's a tie, right? So we could talk about how do these both equal the same thing? They're four different numbers and yet they both can equal 13. So maybe as a tie, we discard those cards and then, oh, you got 19. Can I get more than you? Is it possible? What would I have to get? I have to get 2 10s. Let's see. I didn't. I have less than you. And so then you would take those cards and at the end we would see who has a bigger stack. If you have a child where that still seems easy, adding those cards together, you could take some time to do some subtraction. So take all the numbers 6 and above and make a pile, and then take the numbers 5 and below and draw one from each stack and subtract a greater number from the lesser number. Those are both strategies that would work. So this week we're focusing on addition and subtraction facts by using the cards. If these feel too simple for you, stay tuned for next week for other ways that you can encourage your child to do math at home while engaging with you.